Welcome to our review of the Logitech K400 Plus wireless touch keyboard. Today we'll explore the features of this versatile keyboard designed for seamless control of your PC-connected TV, laptop, tablet, and more. 10 meter by 33 feet, wireless range. Watch video, browse the web, chat with friends, and more without annoying delays or dropouts. Enjoy a responsive, trouble-free connection even in large spaces. Media-friendly TV keyboard. Enjoy relaxed media interaction thanks to volume and arrow keys, Windows or Android shortcuts, a second left-click button so you can navigate and make selections with two hands, and more. Plug-and-play simplicity. Setting up K400 Plus is a snap. Plug the tiny Unifying receiver into a USB port and start the fun. Use the keyboard receiver to connect up to 6 Unifying devices to your computer. Long-lasting battery life. 2 pre-installed 2A batteries last so long you might forget the K400 Plus uses batteries at all. Actual battery life will vary with use, settings, and environmental conditions. Works with multiple operating systems. Designed for use with Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8, Windows 10 and later, Android 5.0 or later, and Chrome OS. Customizable control. Use K400 Plus right from the box or personalize key and touchpad settings with Logitech Options software. Available for download on the Logitech website. Upgrade your home entertainment and computing experience with the Logitech K400 Plus wireless touch keyboard. Check out the link in the description to get your hands. If you enjoyed this video, give it thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.